Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, Mr. Man and Miss Bulan. We wanna make video about the German. And the first,
Capital city in German is Berlin.
and then German have so many countries around, like Heidelberg, and in Heidelberg have the tourism place like Castle Heidelberg and Philosopher Walk, and then Bavaria. In Bavaria have so tourism place like Castle Neuschwanstein, and then next Frankfurt. The Frankfurt have Eisener Stake Bridge padlocks, and next country Monstow. In Monstow have unique wooden house lines up and cobble streets.
Okay. Fun fact about German. The first is the last train station in Europe is in Berlin. The five-story Berlin Haupt railway station took 10 years to build. However, the last train station can be found in the heart of Berlin. The second is in German, there are over 2,000 castles. More than 2,000 castles can be found in German. The majority of them are over a country out and have been converted into museum, hotel, or culture centers. The third, Germany has the largest economy in the EU. Germany has the largest economy in the European Union with a GDP of over 3.3 trillion euros.
Then. And the next, I wanna explain about the unique culture in German. Usually, people German, if the every month May, people in German always planting tree May month, and people German people German do planting because similar to a number of other Anglo era traditions, the Melbourne May tree in Germany is erected on May 1st or the day before. Residents of Bavaria is Frisia in Lower Saxony. Baden-Württemberg and a number of other regions celebrate this ceremony of pagan origin every year with the local people. So the next is famous things. Famous things in Germany.
Okay. Famous thing in German. The one is incredible beer. It's not script the beer is a hard part of a German culture, with iconic festivals like Oktoberfest and globally known brands like Paulaner, Wasner, and Kronberg. It's no wonder that our following stands are one of the first thing that come to mind when German is mentioned. The second is freestyle castle. From the Rhine-Pfalz to be fair, German is full of fight. What castle? One of the most famous is the ever anything never been castle in Bavaria, which tower high over the village of Hohenwogen. The third is automobiles and the autobahn. An adrenaline fueled drift down German. Famous autobahn is on many a bucket list. In addition to boasting a highway with straight curves that have as fast as you want span limits. German know a thing or two about car. Okay, sister, give it turn to explain.
And the next is about educations. In Germany, actually the children always enter to school fastly, and in Germany have 5 level. The first level is early childhood education. In early childhood education is extend to children from the age of 0 to 5 and 6 years. And in early childhood education is optional for you if you have the children. So after this, preschool education focus on communication, writing, social and value development, and fine arts for children over 2 years. And the next level is primary education is provided for students from the age of 7 to 10 and focus on building essential life skill in children along with the introduction of minor subjects. And the third level is secondary education in German consistent of 2 levels called lower secondary and upper secondary. Lower secondary education is for children aged 10 to 15 and is a preparation for the upper secondary classes with a special focus on providing foundational knowledge and identifying the capabilities of students. And the next level is tertiary education. The step tertiary education is the higher education system in Germany where you can study in different types of university which can lead to finding a profession in your field of interest. And the next level last is continue education. It means for professionals who wish to upskill themselves as part of career growth or change. And the next we have explains about official language.
Okay. Official language in German is only German language.
Oh, only German. So in German have 4 language. I mean, like Roman.
Yeah. Yes.
Oh, I only know Romance. If I don't mistake ya, Romance and Italia and Francis and German. Okay, and the next, I wanna explain about currency. Currency German is euro, only euro. And next we have explain about traditional food from German.
Okay. The first is broad and broken. Bread in the form of a large broad or a small, usually crusty, roll broken is an important part of the cheese, which is eaten all of the country and served with most German dishes. The second is Käse Baslet, a dish from the southwestern region of Germany. Käse is made from layering small spaghetti pasta with grated cheese and topping with fried onion. It is usual served with a salad and sometimes with applique sauce. The third is currywurst. Currywurst is from style and fast food industries in many towns and cities. And if you want to know what food the capital city Berlin is famous for, you will quickly discover that is currywurst. The fourth is Kartoffelpuffer and black Kartoffeln. A sour fried patty made from grated potatoes, egg, and flour. It is sometimes eaten with egg and bacon for breakfast in Germany, as a side with meat for lunch or dinner, or alone with applique sauce. On the other hand, Almond lacks out or has potatoes where small kind or tip of potatoes are probably and then fried with onion and sometimes bacon again. Can be enjoyed for breakfast, lunch or dinner. The fifth the fifth is rot Rouladen. Rouladen is a German main dish that typical consistent of pickles and bacon wrapped in thin slits of beef or veal. It is usually served with gravy, dumplings, mashed potatoes, and steak. The sixth is sandwich. This dish is a good example of the typical German food service brands, restaurants, and fast food establishments. Sandwich plus fries is a very popular and satisfying choice. The seventh is and in it is a meal in one that will typical contain broth, vegetables, potatoes, and meat. Sometimes it may include plus such as lentils, and is usually served meat-bound with bread. The egg is Sauerbraten. Sauerbraten is German post It literally translates as sauros. The sour part refers to the pickling of the meat in a sweet and sauce gravy like sauce which is then slowly roasted in a dish. Okay,
Then,
then next.
so I wanna explain about the last. Yeah, the last is people in German usually called East German too. And I have additional from information to German like the people usually have Germany's nicknames are Hitler's country and Panzer country and beer country and the next last industrial country. So people knows in Germany have so beautiful tourism places and high salary and then obey of all the rules. And then people Germany always keep distance with other peoples. And in Germany too have famous like for its automotive and engine production as well as chemicals. Yeah, like in Tokyo or Japan. And the next from Germany is in German. What are the natural conditions in Germany? Yeah, I want to explain the natural condition. It has a short coastline in the north, which border the North Sea and the Baltic Sea. And the northern part of Germany is mostly flat, and the southern central part has a hilly landscape. And the Alps stretch along the border with Australia. And if you know about the German, maybe you can explain
Uh,
German, or you can search first in German.
I like in German is the club football in German
Oh,
is
what is the
Borussia Dortmund.
huh?
Borussia Dortmund.
Borussia
Dortmund.
Dortmund.
Uh,
And the player from famous football.
in Borussia Dortmund is the legend is Marco Reus because
Marco Reus.
he
Marco Reus.
yes Marco Reus and
Oh.
he playing with Borussia Dortmund maybe 20 years.
And the player, you knows how long the player play in football. What the name football?
Play football is Borussia Dortmund
Bars how long the player play?
maybe 20 years.
20 years. Oh my god, so long.
The supporter is talk about him. He a player in Borussia Dortmund is legend player.
And the player have done merit or
I don't know about that. I don't know
what is the name? I forgot.
Borussia BFB.
BFB. Oh, the people called
BFB.
BFB. Okay. Yeah. German is the Western European country with a landscape of forests and rivers, and then mountain ranges and North Sea beaches. And what else? Yeah. What else? Wait. Oh, the famous country from German. I think it's only Berlin. Oh, yeah. The public figure famous in German, Albert Einstein and Adolf Hitler from German too. Yeah, do you know Albert Einstein, right?
Yeah, I know.
Albert Einstein is famous public figure from German. I forgot. And then what else? Oh yeah, footballs. With Miroslav Klose.
Oh, he
Do you know Miroslav Klose?
Oh, I know. He
The
play
player?
Player in
Or Toni Kroos
in
in what the club? You forgot? Oh, and in German, two famous about beer, beer. And a car like automotive. What else? in German too so many castle.
Too many hundred castle
Yeah,
in German.
of course, so many. And why in German system education is the good in German? Because if parents have the children age 0 to 6 always enter fast to school, and so German people call German is the have good school to children. I think
I think
enough
yeah,
from our explain, and
about German.
thank you so much. Sorry if we have many
Many
mistake, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.